Hello, hello, hello. Am I being audible? Let me just wait for a few seconds till we go live. Let me check. Actually, I do not want to wear these earphones in my ears, so I am trying a way to get them stuck into my ear, but not into the ear, but around it. But let's see what we have. Maybe we have started the live. Let's see. Is it? Am I audible or not? But not into the ear, but around it. Okay. But let's see what we have. I can check my audio. Audio is fine. Now let's start trading. And before that, just wait for a few minutes. Okay, now I think we are good to go. Let me set this to next. Let me set all the things. I'm checking all my instruments. Are we ready to trade or not? Let's go. So as all you know that I'm starting with 2000 rupees. That's my initial capital. In every trade I start with 2000 rupees. Then uh, this is the bare minimum. If I lose, I'll lose 2000 rupees only. I do two sessions in a day, and this is first session of the day right now. And for the past three sessions, we are doing good. We are doing excellent. More than good. I'll show you my. I'll show you my closed trades too. Whatever we have done in past few days, past few sessions. Okay. Well, let's see if I get a new trade or not. But these are my earlier pending orders that I've set. If the price reaches there, then we can know we can have a good trade. That's what I have done earlier. Okay. Well, we'll wait for our new. We'll wait for a trade if we get if I see any trade, we'll get into it. That's my strategy on night way. I'm not going to force trade any of the instrument. I'm not rushing into it. I'll just wait for the good trade and then we focusing into it. Okay, now everything is set. We just have to wait for a good trade in gold, in particularly gold. particularly gold. I see selling coming over here right now, and what I think it's the perfect opportunity we can have for sell here, and with a slow with a low SL too. Well, let's see if we can implement in a good manner or not. We'll change time frame into 60 minutes. Now that I have done that, well, sorry, it was actually in Bitcoin. My bad. Uh, the opportunity I'm saying is in Bitcoin, not in gold. Now here we can set up our trade. Let's see with how much of SL we can go here. And let me tell everybody, I'm practicing. This is my practice session. I'm grinding over here for my future trades so that I do not get big SLs and I wanna improve my trading strategies. It is not directly sell or buy advice to anyone. And if anybody is else watching, no, I do not want any subscribers or any likes. I just need we can communicate properly while trading. I'll have this to my SL. Maybe we can do that. It's easy 1:2. And if I see this strong selling coming over here, then I can move my target to move my TP to. So here we just have to wait. We'll see what Bitcoin has to offer to us. Okay, we are in a trade for 1:2 risk to reward and Bitcoin. Let's see where we are going, and I'll check my other instruments too if we have another opportunity to get into it or not. If I wanna get into gold, then I'll wait for another candle. No, the opportunity to get short into the gold was right there, and this candle was the opportunity get into the. Why my brush is not working? I don't know why. Will wait for my SL. If my SL got blown away, then it's okay. I'll wait for it. Before that, let me check it in 15-minute time frame. What we see. I don't know why my trading is not working right now. It's been working for past few months, excellently, but I don't know what's the matter right now with it. If it in 15 minutes, if we see the Bitcoin, it shows us the it gonna go upwards. That's the candle we see here. But we can let me change this time frame into 15 minutes in Exynos, and let's see what I see here. What I have to do, I just have to wait patiently and see whether it's in my direction or not. If it isn't, I'll try to cut my trades as soon as possible without holding that much. But if I see there's a great buying here, it won't go this side. But the amount of buying over here, I just tested this area before too. We'll just wait. Yeah. Let me show you what we have done in the past. What's not no, trading is good. This is not done. It looks too good, and that's what I want to continue. I'll be doing that. I'm not getting into emotions, but let me check HMR periods when they are, whether they disturb me or not. It starts from 7:30. Okay, no worries. Yeah, I'll be out that time. Actually, it's 5:45. It's 7:45. Okay, so my bad. 5:45. So it is not getting into our way. So it ain't getting our way. That's good for us. That's what I think. If anybody wanna practice with me, they can practice. I'll share the link on World Exchange and Express both. If you wanna trade bitcoins, meme coins, all the type of coins, you can trade on Delta Exchange. But if you wanna trade some gold, forex, some currencies, we can do that on Express too. What I'm saying, yes, I'll write now. Let's see. And this type of candle gives me confidence that it will go from A to start. It's selling will selling will start from here only because this candle is favoring me. And what is the benefit of this trade is that I do not have that big SL over here right now. I can hold my position whether it takes my SL or not. If it takes, then I'll not be in a much loss, but I can hold my target over here right now with a much ease. That's what I was talking about. It will whether it will go downside or it will from here it will jump above and actually it is two-way thing. It will follow you one thing. And for that period of time, I was done doing trading because I profits my hand. I do not want to. Until then, let's say if we have another instrument that we can go into. No, it will go up to here. That's okay. But if we see right here, we have the big gap here too. And what I think it has to. There is nothing such as it has to, but that's what I think. Mm, I'll hold my answer. I'm not going, I'm not saying anything. And if I see a big, I don't really do anything. If I go along in the US oil, we have to wait for another candle, and then it come down to this position. Then we'll buy over here and making a new target up to here, or we can go up to here too. That's my strategy for. I think we are at the so it's not right now. Okay, this is done. No worries. We'll come back into it. I'm just holding it. If it really wanna go upside, this is a big green candle that we see here, and it is of 384 points right now. These are the things we have to be careful for. And now we are seeing Bitcoin giving up more and more, but we had our essence, so I do not want to get into the emotions and get blown away with it and go for a big loss. That's unnecessary risk. I'm taking a risk. I feel that it's okay. Now I have my capital. I can re-enter if I am now. I don't know why, but I'm saying selling over here right now. It has not crossed the earlier week. That's one thing to see. I gave the one target up to here, another. Yesterday I gave two targets, one up to here and one up to here. Target one was completed now and it is hanging in target two. It will see whether it will. I have not no trades in it, but then also I'm just chilling and saying this. Today I think I ain't getting any targets because I joined it at worst possible time. I should have start trading at least few hours ago. If I if I had done that, maybe at that time I can have good targets. I can have good trades because in that period of time there was volatility. But right now it is calm before the storm as the US markets open in few hours. That's why it is calm right now. Ah, that's the drawing I draw yesterday. Well, let's clear it up. I had my reason for saying well right now as we can see it gonna go on downside. We'll have a selling over here right now at this bid and can we can put stop loss right here. Okay, now I see an opportunity in gold too. We'll see how it will work. Let me check the gold. But this shows too that we're gonna go deep down. Let's hope it goes. Let me change it to 15 minute so that I have a good idea what I am getting into. Yes, it's too high for that. Let's see if it gets rejected over here or not. But we'll try to fill this gap too. If it is going over here, then I think I have the opportunity. Or what we can do is go for two quantities over here right now. but that won't be good now. Okay, let me go into 5 minute time frame. Let it come more. Okay, okay. Let it push more. If it does, then we'll do our thing. It has taken support from let's 20 EMA in the 5 minute time frame. Now that's the thing I have to look for. Can I go against it? Mhm. We'll see about that too. It is getting rejected from its 20 EMA in 15 minute time frame. And I think it will break it too. Because when I see it in 16 minute time frame, it is this. Okay, we can go. Mm, what I think is my SL is way too high right now. I'm gonna shorten it, but we'll do that too. in Few minutes. What did did just it took my SL and came back. It's okay. I'm happy about it. No worries. It's an part and parcel of the journey. You sometimes have good trades and sometimes have bad. But what you have to be patient and consistent over things, and that I'm trying to do. That's the thing I'm trying to same implement. So now it is in good position. It can give us whether it wants to go against my direction. Still, it can give me my target easy peasy. Now it is is actually getting resistance at Right here, we do not have to do anything. Just wait. I'm waiting. If it closes above the 20 EMA in 5 minute time frame, then I'll go for. Then I'll cancel my trade. I'll exit from it. But right now, there's no time. What I'm seeing. If it holds its position, then I'm holding the trade too. And that's what my plan is right now. That's simple, but let's see what happens. It isn't necessary that every day you trade and go for good profit. Sometimes it goes, sometimes it doesn't. That's the thing, and I'll respect it. Now it's holding up, but we have 2 minutes left for it to. If anybody join or start trading right now, they can do the thing. Maybe it give me the time to exit, but I ain't exiting. I'm holding up. We hold up batteries now. That's not good. It just opened in front of it above 20 EMA. That's why I took exit from the trade. Let's see where it is heading. I can see buying coming in gold. That's why I took exit from it. Or I could have waited till here. But I ain't doing that. Why should I take loss, unnecessary loss? No, this looks good, this looks bad. But it's okay. This isn't a fancy show competition where I wanna look good. I'm here to trade, and if I got the good opportunity, then I'll get in the trade. But if I see it's trapping me, then I'll just exit from the trade. Like the gold did. I would have closed in loss if I and took exit from the position at the right time. It's not about always having a good day, and sometimes if there isn't any right opportunity to get into, we can just wait for the right opportunity. Do not get one. We can just keep waiting for it. It is not necessary to push into it and go the wrong trades. That's I ain't doing. And here's the link for the trading platform if anybody wanna join. This chart is not working right now. Thank God I took the exit from yeah, gold at the right position. Dang man, I just sold it here. It just took my sell away and now it's coming down. Well, it's okay too. Sometimes it's happening with you. If I see this made double petroleum ago, then uh, nah, that's a bit bad trade. I ain't forcing one. Ethereum. And US oil, I think we can have a trade till here. No, but three candles, this is the favorable gap it has, and it has to come down to complete it. FPG till here, I think. Uh, this is the one thing where I see my charts and it is not working right now. I'm literally disappointed in it. I don't know what to say. How am I gonna trade if it isn't showing the right data? If I see here, this candle is doing damn good, but it isn't. Okay, your phone has started. Yes, the 50% off. We'll buy it from here. And let us see. Everything is working fine, but the data of the sites are not loading. I don't know what they need. We can sell it over here and place myself. Okay, we can do that too. I'm waiting for a little bit more. I can't say correction, but Is this a gamble that I've just taken? We'll see about that too. It is going up in very rapid pace. I took my SL out too. I think there was resistance here, but there isn't one. Can we do this? Can we do this? Actually, I don't have money to do it. I have money to do this too. Ha ha ha. This is again not gambling right now. This is not the way you should trade, right? I just started gambling. Hmm. It has to do its. It will blow me out. No, that's the bad trade. Whether or not if it blows me out or not. This is pure gambling, and I shouldn't be doing this. This is the worst way to trade. I had beautiful days, good to beautiful days earlier. Good beautiful days, good to beautiful days. But now what I'm doing, I'm just doing the wrong thing right now. I could have bought it down. No, why I'm saying this because with the there is no SL first of all, and with the quantity I'm trading right now is just insane. Mm, that shouldn't be how I'll be doing this. Mhm. And with this trade, I'm I'm going home. And this was the right trade, but I took a self for me. The Bitcoin one. I thought it was a good trade. It gave me missile. It's just taking a resistance from me right now. And if we see in 5 minutes as completed its FPG, I'm just taking support from here. Yeah, I know I'm feeling bad for me right now. I'm letting this I'm letting this happen. Let it go, it will reflect in my highlights. How did I choke? This is the thing that's happening to me while I'm trading, and it's not the rare thing, it's the damn regular thing. After I'm peaking my charts, after I'm doing good, one day I suddenly loses my calm, loses my strategy. Today I don't get any entries in any trade. What I did, I just panicked and entered in the not entered. I just gambled here. What did I just do is gambled here. Please, please. Oh, okay, done. I took myself, and now that's for all. Today I just lost. Hmm, that's a bad day, but we'll recover from